Hi students, welcome to SPR Edutech. Today you're gonna see about National Company Law Tribunal, which is recently in the news. So very important for your examinations and UPSC preparation. This is part of your polity and governance. Okay guys, for more updates you keep supporting us because to my effort your support means a lot. So kindly like, share and subscribe. So here we can get into the facts. So NCLT, which is in news recently because a government has allows, so here NCLT has allows the ownership transfer of jetways to the Jalan Kalrock Consortium. So first of all, you need to understand what is this NCLT and how it is formed and how it functions already. So here it is a quasi-judicial authority. It is not a judicial, it is not a legal, which means a law. It is just a quasi-judicial. It has both functions in and out. So here it will be dealing with the corporate disputes and especially they will be in a civil nature and also which will be arising under the Companies Act 2003. So here Companies Act 2013 is a law and it is acting as a judicial body. That is what a law tribunal. So here this was first established under 1st June 2016 under the Companies Act 2013. So here we need to understand what are all the recommendations that led to the formation of this. So here recent times there is a more insolvency and many companies winding up their functions and also there is a many problems regarding that, so that there is a creation of a new law that need to be efficiently handle the situation. So the Balakrishna Yeradi committee, very important committee. So whenever some committees in news you need to be aware of it. So here Balakrishna Yeradi committee. So in this committee they had recommended for the formation of NCLT. By that recommendation it has been formed. Who are present in it? Let us see the composition of it. So here we have a president and also here we have a number of judicial and technical members are required to work and support in it. And here what is the powers in it? So here it will be dealing with civil nature disputes, but here it is not functioning under code of civil procedure. So it is not limited or bound by the rules of the CCP, so which is a civil code of civil procedure codes, but it is guided by the natural justice. Here it will be following the provisions that are provided in the act and also that is made by the central government. So that only it is made by central government but functions as such of a natural justice. So here you can see they will be NCLT will be enforcing any order and also the same manner of the court enforce it. So it will be similar to the court, it will be functioning and also they have their own power to scrutinize any own orders and also here they have power to regulate their own procedures. And also here National Company Law Tribunal, if you consider, it is a adjudicating authority under the insolvency resolution process. So here they will be standing as a responsibility or liability for the partnerships under Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. So this is something acts on the companies and also better management of the companies. So here it is some sort of political and also some sort of judicial. So that only we called as a quasi-judicial authority. Remember this one. So this may be asked in your mains, what is quasi-judicial authority? You need to understand that. So it is not directly functioning as a so-called court laws, but not it is functioning as a government resolutions are under the central government, but will be implemented similar to the judicial functions. This is all about the National Company Law Tribunal. For more updates, stay tuned. This is me, SPR, signing off. Have a nice day.